Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about nutrition 101. Okay, so it's the basics of nutrition. So the first thing I ask you, are you on a diet? Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, everyone is on a diet. Why is that? That's because a diet is whatever you eat. So if you're trying to gain weight, you're trying to lose weight, you don't even care what you're eating. Whatever you eat is your diet. Okay, something to keep in mind. So parts of the diet, there are two main parts of your diet. These are the macronutrients and the micronutrients. The macronutrients are those that you need large amounts of, and the micronutrients are those you only need small amounts of. Your macronutrients are broken into three parts. Okay, first, carbohydrates. Okay, second, fats. Third is the proteins. Okay, carbohydrates are either simple or complex. Okay, so our simple carbohydrates are our sugars. They give us really fast releasing energy, okay, for not a long period of time. And our complex carbs are slow releasing, which lasts for a lot longer. Okay, our fats, there are a lot of different types of fats, okay, and they have been considered in the past to be the bad thing, but fats aren't the biggest worry, okay? So there's saturated and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats are the ones that you want to avoid having as much of. Unsaturated are high in energy, but not bad for your heart or any of your body. Okay, and protein, boom, our protein, which you'll learn about very soon, is really important. Okay, carbs. So the main role of carbohydrates is energy for movement and your brain. Okay, you eat such things as rice, bread, pasta, cereal, fruit and veggies are also carbohydrates. Okay, your body takes them, turns them into glucose, which your muscles and your brain uses energy. Okay, carbohydrates are really important in the diet. Okay, so we talked about simple and complex carbs before. So sugars, they are the simple carbohydrates. Okay, really high in energy, but short bursts of energy. If you look at this graph here, this is exactly what happens when you eat foods that are really high in sugars. Okay, you go up, and your body goes on the sugar high, and then boom, you crash. Okay, because insulin is released, and insulin gets into your bloodstream, grabs all that sugar, and stores it away. Okay, that causes the crash. That's why you want to have complex carbohydrates when you can. Slow releasing, sustained energy, so the graph is more flat-lined rather than up and down. Fats. Okay, so the main roles of fat in our body: energy, insulation, obviously, and temperature regulation and absorption of vitamins. So fats are really important. You must have fats in your diet. Okay, examples: meats, nuts, butter, oil are different examples of fats. Okay, everyone's diet should be made up at least of 20% fat content. Okay, even if you are trying to lose weight, you still need fat in your diet. Okay, saturated fats we talked about before. These are the fats that are solid at room temperature. Okay, it's not advised to have no more than 12 to 16 grams of saturated fat a day. You can find these out by reading on the food labels. Okay, they are bad for your cholesterol. So cholesterol is the blood that's in your bloodstream. Okay, if it clogs up, that's where the risk of heart disease and heart attack is a lot higher. That's why saturated fats are the fats you want to avoid. Protein. So protein, main role, muscle building and recovery. Okay, so meat, fish, eggs, nuts, really high in protein. Okay, if you are exercising a lot, if you are working out, okay, as you are going through puberty and going through changes in your body, you need to ensure that you're getting enough protein to help with that recovery and obviously with that muscle development. Okay, so now our micronutrients. So these are mainly our vitamins and minerals. Okay, so these are smaller amounts and most are not produced by the body, so you must actually get these through your foods. Okay, the key roles of our micronutrients are metabolism and tissue function, such as our cells and our muscles. Okay, examples: calcium, iron, sodium, all our different vitamins. Okay, you can get these if you are eating fruit, if you are eating veggies, if you are eating meats. Okay, all of those things contain a lot of the micronutrients. So if you are having a well-balanced diet of eating everything, eating all your macros, and making sure you are eating the fruit and veg. Even if you don't want to, you'll be getting in those micronutrients, which will help with healthy lifestyle and obviously functioning of your body.